Hello, dear students. If you want to know how to speak English, then you should know phonetics. You have to learn phonetics. Phonetics is language of sounds. There are 44 sounds as we discussed in our previous clips. In those 44 sounds, 24 are consonants and 20 are vowels. Again, vowels are divided into two parts, pure vowels and diphthongs. We discussed about pure vowels in last video. Now we are discussing about diphthongs in this clip. Diphthongs is somewhat like संयुक्त स्वर in Hindi or Sanskrit. In English, it is called vowel glide because a pure vowel sound glides from one to another. You must know what diphthongs are. Diphthongs are vowel sounds. Diphthongs are 8 in numbers. Pure vowels are 12 and diphthongs are 8. Thus, total vowel sounds are 20. Diphthongs are constituted with two pure vowels. The sound glides from one pure vowel to another. Every it does not mean that diphthong has two units. Every diphthong is a single unit, just like a pure vowel. A diphthong forms one syllable. It does not mean that there are two pure vowels. It means it forms two syllables. It forms only one syllable. It is also in your minds that how we should write phonetic language and what is the need of phonetic language. There is a problem in English for students that there is no one-to-one relationship between words and their sounds. So we have to consult dictionary. In dictionary, we know that what sound has what word or which word has what sound. To consult dictionaries or to write the exact sound language of that word, we have to know phonetic symbols and to transcribe in English sounds, English language in English sounds is called phonetic transcription. So you must not be confused with letters. You know that there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants, but these are not sounds. These are only letters, alphabet. We are talking about English speech sounds, language of sounds. How it is written? Sounds are written close between two slashes. It is shown here that you can see it. आप देख सकते हैं कि साउंड की लैंग्वेज को कैसे लिखा जाता है टू लेवल में बंद करके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द साउंड ऑफ कूल. Cool is English word COOL. If we want to write its sound, it is transcribed in this form: slash after ka, u, just like bada u in Hindi, and la, and it is closed again in a slash. Cool is written in English language while cool is in phonetic language. It is called phonetic transcription. in your exam, it can be asked some words that how to transcribe those words into phonetic language. So it is necessary for you to know these symbols. Now we are talking about 8 phonic symbols, 8 diphthongs. First diphthong is as provided in your textbook A. However, these are 8 diphthongs, and we also said that they are similar to Sanyukt Swar, but there is no same sound in Hindi or in Sanskrit. It looks like similar to English, Hindi sound, but it is not similar. Somewhat similar to A, as it is written in Hindi. Here on the screen you can see how it is spoken. It is spoken first. You should speak A of pure vowel, then another pure vowel E should be spoken continuously and simultaneously. Thus, this sound makes A. In examples, we can see gate, late, lane, main, Spain, gain, sail, lane, same. One word also I transcribed state. State, you can see how it is transcribed. Some typically spelled words you must know. There might be many, great, table, say, pray, praise, etc. Second diphthong is au. It is similar to au in Hindi. For example, go, so, show, love, no. Generally, we speak no for negation, but we should speak no. Throw, crow, boat, coat. Some typically spelled words are owl, now, roll, booth, poem, poet, etc. Third diphthong is I. It is similar to I in Hindi, which you can speak try, cry, I, which means me. It is also in this sound hi. You speak when we meet another friend. Pride, shine, rhyme, lime, my, etc. Some typically spelled words can be seen I for arise, right, line. There is a pure vowel is extra in riot and lion. बाय बोलते हैं आप, तो बाय बोलना है. आउ, फोर्थ साउंड इज आउ. इट कैन बी सिमिलर टू आउ इन हिंदी. First you have to speak a, then u continuously and simultaneously. It is called glides. Sound glides from a to u. For example, cow, how, bow, town, shout, foul, etc. Fifth diphthong is oi. Here, first sound is o and second is e. Oi. For example, oil, boy. You speak boy, but should be spoken boy. Toil, foil, point, boil. Some typical spelled words you can see: toilet, choice, noise, Troy, War of Troy. There is a poem. Annoyed, voice, poise. Some transcription also can be seen here. Sixth diphthong is e a. First sound is e and second is a. The sound glides from e to a. In examples, you can see ear. R is not pronounced because R is not followed by a vowel sound. So e a both is only pronounced. केवल ईयर में केवल आपको ईयर नहीं बोलना है, रा को नहीं बोलना है, क्योंकि रा के बाद में वाउल साउंड नहीं आ रहा है, केवल ईयर ही बोलना है. ईयर. नियर में भी नियर, डियर में भी डियर, हियर में भी हियर, गियर में भी गियर. इसी तरह से और आप कुछ वर्ड्स देख सकते हैं जिनको मैंने ट्रांसक्राइब भी किया है फोनेटिक सिंबल्स में. स्फीयर, चीयर, नियर, हियर, स्टीयर, रियल, लियन, सेट. Seventh diphthong is a. First is a and second is a. Here sound glides from a to a. For example, pair, air, care, hair, share, there, where. Typically spelled words also can be seen. Dare, fair, layer, stare, mayor, mayor, stare, there, tear. If it is verb, it is called tear, not tear. Ua, last diphthong is ua. Here sound glides from u to a. For example, tour. जनरली हम इसको टूर बोल देते हैं, पर ये टूर नहीं है, टूर, बिकॉज आर इज नॉट प्रोनाउंस्ड एज इट इज नॉट फॉलोड बाई अ वाउल साउंड. पुअर, मुअर, फ्लुएंट, ट्रुएंट, डुअर, श्योर. श्योर बोलते हैं, श्योर नहीं है, श्योर. टिपिकली स्पेल्ड वर्ड और कैन बी सीन. पुअर, फ्यूअर. फ्यूअर, there is ya sound also in fewer. You can see after f there is j. ये j जो साउंड है ये या का प्रतीक है, या का सिंबल है. तो f से हो गया फ और j से हो गया या, और उ साउंड ये डिप्थोंग आ गया. इस तरह से ये हो गया फ्यूअर. इस प्रकार से क्योर देखें, क्योर जो हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं क्योर नहीं है, क्यूअर. क्यूअर, इसमें के साउंड के से रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है और यह साउंड जे से. ये जो जे बना हुआ है ये या का प्रतीक है, उसके बाद में यूअर. इस तरह से हो गया ये साउंड क्योर, क्योर, क्यूअर. इसी प्रकार से ल्यूअर देखें, ल्यूअर में या साउंड नहीं है, इसको लुअर बोला जाएगा. इसी प्रकार से, लेकिन इसमें विकल्प है, लुअर भी है और या साउंड के बिना भी बोल सकते हैं और या साउंड के साथ भी बोल सकते हैं. जैसे संस्कृत में विकल्प होता है, ऐसे इंग्लिश में भी साउंड में विकल्प है. तो इसको लुअर या ल्यूअर दोनों तरह से बोला सकता है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई थिंक यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, यू नाउ अंडरस्टूड दैट व्हाट डिप्थोंग्स आर. सो यू मस्ट प्रैक्टिस दिस, एंड आफ्टर प्रैक्टिस यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड and learn how to speak English.